Let's learn how to weld in the 2G position with a single V butt joint and a backing plate. We'll be welding this with a 7018 1/8 core diameter electrode. And let's get started. Your first bead is going to be on the bottom. Then you're going to clean it with a wire wheel. Then you're going to stack the following bead on top of there, while you have full penetration into your top weld plate as well as the toe of the initial bead. Use a wire wheel, give it a really good clean. After you have a good foundation of the first two beads, then you're going to start again from the bottom. You're going to try and ensure that you blend the toes of your beads into the finished weldment and the base material in a very nice way.